Howdy everyone, hey, this is Grant Bynum and I'm with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best House Apartments. I'm always looking for the best apartments, the newest, the funnest, and the best. Hey, we're at the Alta Riverside. It's in Las Colinas, the Alta Riverside in Las Colinas. So this is in the back of the property. It's a really cool kind of outdoor area, and there's a dog park. So there's a dog park that's here. This is super fun. It's right on the property. And by the way, you can see the property, there's not really anything around it other than, what you see here and then what you see over here. So it's kind of on its own. In other words, it's not really, there's not other apartments or other buildings. It looks like there's some storage perhaps, or this is some sort of, I'm not sure what this is. Oh, I think it's a church actually. That's over a church over there. So you've got a church, and it's a really kind of quiet, cool area. So really pretty area, but then like I said, you've got this dog park. So the dog park's over here. It's nice to have this, very pet friendly to have it. I love seeing this dog park. It's big, it's got lots of grass, and there are little packets you can get to clean up after your dog. So that's really pretty, and you've got it all here. So it's right here on the spot. Really nice feature to see here. By the way, I see something else. I'm actually gonna get that on the next video. Watch, you're gonna wanna see this. If you have questions anytime, or if you're ready to tour this virtually, text me.